maybe you do in a funny way get wiser and feel more at peace with yourself. You've accepted yourself with all your limitations, and you begin to understand more and more your connection with the total cosmos.
I tend to have a lot of my motivation for success, a lot of my drive, a lot of my reason to achieve such high goals. And a lot of it's not even for me. And the reason for that is, well, I don't know. But it's not necessarily to flex on other people. I don't want to do that. But I see as my main motivator as a man, I want to provide. Providing for myself, but, you know, as a young 20-year-old man, a huge motivator in my head is for my future family. And some people might think that's crazy, but for me, it's not. You know, we never know what the future holds, and, you know, we have to live every day like it's our last because we're not guaranteed a future. But for me, I just have it built in my head that I am building up everything now to provide for my future family. That's my main objective, right? Because I realize if it was for me, then honestly, I don't care about a lot of it. If it was just for me personally in my life, I only need a certain amount of money. I only need to be in certain amount of places, doing certain you understand. Us men are simple, right? I realize now that I strive for success now, and a lot of this rush in me is to prove other people wrong. Now, this is more of the short-term issue that I have with, because I find it completely fine that your end goal, your main driven motivation is to provide for your future family, because I think that is your job as a man. So that's not my issue. My issue is that in my head, I guarantee that I'm gonna reach success no matter what. Like, if there's one thing that I have locked in my mindset, is that I'm gonna be successful. I just know it. I don't know why. I don't know how I established it. I can't really give you some tips. It's in my head. Sometimes I may doubt myself, but I always doubt myself short term. If I always look at it and talk to myself about years in advance, I always think, well, look, 5-10 years, I guarantee you I'm successful. I don't know why. So for me, the sense of urgency doesn't come from that. And I think I've realized that the sense of urgency is for other people. Other people don't believe in me. Other people have doubted me. Other people disagree with me. And the sense of urgency is just like, well, I want to prove these people wrong. And I guess in my head, the longer I wait, the more they're right. So it builds like this, I guess you can say, some angry fire in me, where it's like, I just can't believe it that they doubted me. I can't believe that they don't believe in me. And you know what? I'm gonna fucking prove you wrong. But this sense of urgency where I don't see a lot of results currently happening right now, it gets to me sometimes. And it's like, well, you know, maybe they're right for now. Because again, like I've said before, I know give me 10 years. Give me 10 years. Fucking, you don't know who I'm gonna be in 10 years. I'm gonna be some bad motherfucker. I honestly can't wait to repost this exact video in 10 years from now. Fucking, was it? We're heading till 2024, 2034, 2033, whatever it is. I'm gonna be some bad motherfucker. I just fucking know that. 10 years is such a fucking long time. I'm gonna fucking achieve shit in 10 years. It's just my little ego that's getting in the way of these short-term goals. That's like, I just want to prove people wrong now. Just, can you just say that I was right? It's like this little ego thing that I try to work on. Because if it was just for myself and for my future family, there would be no rush. Because I already said, I guarantee my success in the future. So it's bad, and I just want to get rid of it. And I've been getting better on it, obviously. Over time, you start to develop more of a mature mindset for it, but it's still there, and that's why I'm bringing it up now. I still get those times. It's been way better than before, like a year or 2 years ago. Now I do a lot for myself rather than other people, rather than the opinions of other people. And this is just one thing, making videos online. People never agreed with it. People thought it was weird. People thought it was stupid. I look dumb to other people, and I'm very much aware of that. I'm very much aware that I look dumb to other people. That, to me, I don't want to seem dumb to them with this ego thing, but I look dumb. But I do it anyways because I know the potential of social media, of just making videos for yourself. Even I know the benefits to all of it. I've been doing it for years, so I've been working on it. It needs to get better, but it's getting there. Eventually, I'll give zero fucks, and hopefully, you will too.